Hey guys, this is Evewin Lakra and today is 16th June 2021. Today is Wednesday. So today what we're gonna do today, we might install our brand new Panasonic AC in our house with the help of the AC technician whom we know. And this is the indoor unit of the AC, Panasonic AC, and this is the outdoor unit still in the box. So where we're gonna install the AC, let me tell you. First we're gonna take the 4mm wire from this main board of our house and we'll run the wire from here to this bedroom. This is our bedroom. And we're gonna install the AC over here, hopefully. And yeah, the 4mm wire will come from this side after drilling the hole. And this side, we're gonna install some MCB, Havel's brand MCB, double pole, 20 ampere MCB that I've purchased few days back. And the outdoor unit, let me show you where we're gonna install the outdoor unit. We're gonna install the outdoor unit over here because we don't have any more space in our house, so it will go over here in our small balcony, so that in future if the outdoor unit needs some repair, so the technician will find it easier for accessing the outdoor unit. Otherwise most of the people will keep their outdoor unit in this wall, this outside wall, and they'll install the indoor unit over here, this window, above this window. Okay, but we are not doing what others did because in future if something goes bad with the outdoor unit, it takes a lot of effort to reach the outdoor unit from outside. Let me show you, especially in flat. This is the area. So guys, I'll guide you the process of how our known AC and fridge engineer is installing our Panasonic brand new AC in our house. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is free, so that you'll remain updated with the upcoming videos regarding this Panasonic AC installation video. So yeah, this is Evewin Lakra saying bye for now.